Good evening and welcome all of you to my story. In this story, I decided to divide into two parts. First, let me introduce a little bit about myself. My name is Ling. Currently, I'm a student of Miss Phương Thao, class PPN PM43 at Partial English Center. My class is very interesting and always full of energy. We have each other to learn and love to share our stories together. We have a very gentle and friendly teacher is Miss Phương Thao. She is very young and beautiful. She always keeps smile on her face. The tutor of my class is Zhou Zhang. She is a very funny and friendly person. She always helps me when I have difficulty during class. In part 2, I want to tell you about the ways I have used to learn English better, and maybe after listening to my story, you can find the ways to learn English effectively. Now, I show you the ways I have used to learn English more effectively. First, I study how to pronounce the IPA every day. I imitate Mr. Paul's voice, rhythm, tone, and intonation. Besides, I make my homework by recording video to repeat vocabulary. Moreover, I self-study at home by listening to radio, watching movies, and reading books for 3 hours per day. I learned sentences structures. For each sentence structures, I have to put lots of sentences to remember its using. And also learn responding so I can communicate with with a foreigner without thinking too long. Each lesson in the class, I was repeating and repeating again and again. Besides, I also experienced the fact that was going to talk to foreigners. And now I have improved my English a lot. I can read the IPA board fluently, reading a lot of words from looking at the transcription. I can put many sentences in many cases. My responding also faster now that I don't need to think too much and that too much to answer questions that other people ask me. And finally, I can talk to confident foreigners. To sum up, I just want to say that learning English will be easier if you can find the suitable ways for yourself as well as have enough passion and persistence. Thanks for listening.